NCRT Class 10 Science Solved Questions by Ghanshyam Pandey. Join us. The question is, what are differences between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition? Here is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Number 1 point, in case of autotrophic, the food is synthesized from a simple inorganic raw materials such as CO2 and water. These two are the most important things, raw materials. In case of heterotrophic nutrition, food is obtained directly or indirectly from autotrophs. The food is broken down with the help of enzymes. It is your point number 1. The second point is the presence of green pigment is necessary. In case of autotrophs, means that contains a pigment called chlorophyll, and in case of heterotrophic, no pigment, such type of pigment is present there. The third point, in case of autotroph, is food is generally prepared during daytime. In case of heterotroph, food can be prepared at all times. Time is not important. In case of autotroph, all green plants and some bacteria have this type of nutrition. And number 4, all animals and fungi have the type of these nutritions. Okay, thank you. The second question is, where do plants get each of raw materials required for photosynthesis? The answer is the following raw materials are required for the photosynthesis. The raw materials CO2 enters from the atmosphere through stomata. Number one raw material is your CO2. Clear? The second raw material, water is absorbed. Second raw material is H2O. Clear? This water is absorbed from the soil by the plant roots, and the sunlight, an important component to manufacture food, is absorbed by the chlorophyll and other green plants of the. Question number 3. What are outside raw materials used for by an organism? The answer is, the organism uses outside raw materials mostly in the form of food and oxygen. The raw materials required by an organism can be quite varied depending on the complexity of organism and its environment. Clear? The next question is, what processes would you consider essential for maintaining life? For maintaining life, the processes which are very important are nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion. These are the essential for maintaining